Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new tuning in, warm welcome, welcome, welcome. So today's hairstyle is Miss Doolittle. You guys, this alphabet line of hairstyles that I'm doing is for hair that is fragile, which will not require you to put a lot of stress on your hair. Products you'll need for this particular video is a parting comb, twist ties, and products of your choice. Okay. So pretty much, you guys, I am going to part my hair straight back through the middle. Now I was a little off with my parting, so it was off center, but you definitely want to make sure you're parting straight through the middle of your head. Okay, now I will also say this style will look even more elevated the bigger your puffs are, or if you decide to add some extensions to it. But I'm going to roll with what I got because I want less stress as possible on my hair. I'm also going in from the sides and pulling out a little hair there just to kind of elevate the style a little bit. You guys know that I like a good baby hair. I don't like a harsh baby hair, but just something very soft and sweet and feminine. So I'm going to go in with my gel to get these baby hairs in order. This style is for little kids, teenagers, adults, depending on the event. So please don't feel shy about wearing this particular hairstyle. It probably literally took me less than 7 minutes to accomplish this look. Because my little Doolittle is a itty bitty, I am going to go in with some large hoop earrings, just again to add some elevation to this hairstyle. I do have a longer chin, you guys, so because my Doolittle is so little, I'm going to just add some earrings again just to kind of even everything out for me. Okay, so this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I will see you tulips in the next one. Smooches.